Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I have something a little different in store for y'all. This video was filmed on 2 different days, so I combined them to make one whole video, and I really hope y'all like it. So the first part of the video is going to be kind of random. I'll explain in just a bit, but we went over to my parents' place to help them with the puddings and stuff, and I decided to try a year-old pudding. So you'll see how that went in just a second. And then the next part of the video, me and my mom went over to visit my sister. So I'm gonna share her Christmas decorations with y'all. Everything was so beautiful, so I had to film it. And also you'll get to see my cute little baby nephew. So let's just get this video started. Okay, so I'm at my parents' right now, and last year when we made the puddings, they took one of the puddings and put it in the ice box, and then they took one of the puddings and put it in the cabinet. So it's literally just been sitting in the cabinet. So we're gonna be doing a taste test today on how well this holds up in the cabinet. No refrigeration. We're gonna see if it's still good. Okay, so like I said, they had one in their ice box, and then they had one stored in the cabinet, and we just wanted to see how long the puddings last and in what state they would be like after a year of literally just sitting in the cabinet. Now, I know you might think I'm crazy for doing a taste test on something like this. However, I would like to say, 1, you're right, I am crazy, and 2, you know I just had to do it. Plus, I think it's a pretty good testament on how well the puddings hold up. All right, so we just opened up a pudding that is from last year. Freshly opened, we're gonna cut into it and see how it is. Smells good. Let's do a taste test. Delicious. Absolutely delicious. So the purpose of this was to show y'all the shelf life on these puddings. They've had it wrapped up in a cabinet, not refrigerated, just in a cabinet. And it's absolutely delicious. Nothing wrong with it. It's perfect. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, Gypsy Wife Life. Do you? This is my dad's hat. He said he gets compliments everywhere he goes in this hat. So I'm thinking about stealing it. So we've been getting all the puddings ready. We've got them wrapped up. We're boxing them. They're all finished and ready to be ordered. So if you are interested in ordering one of the puddings, please reach out to me through Instagram or through the email listed down below in the description. So now we just arrived at my sister's house, and we were greeted by her little puppers. They are so cute and such good boys. I was telling them to sit down and they listened to me. So those are some good pups. So honestly, I had no intentions on filming today, but when I walked into my sister's house and seen all of her Christmas decorations, I thought, man, I've got to share this because it's too pretty not to, and I thought y'all would enjoy seeing it all. And of course, we brought my sister over one of the puddings. We cut right into it, and you already know that I was stealing some. My doll. Look at my girl. I just walked in the door. I'm out of breath as usual. But I was going to grab my camera and they literally came over here posing like they were ready for the camera, so I figured I'd let them be in the camera. Miss Cannoli posing up. Beautiful. And Miss Kiki. Hey girl. Anyways, I'm out of breath because I had to carry tons of stuff upstairs, and then I helped carry my mom's stuff down to her car, so that was a lot of carrying, and I'm out of breath, okay? So I got all of the puddings here with me. My mom actually packed up some puddings in a box for me, and then I have some more over here. I'm storing them in the microwave to keep them safe. I wanted to show them to y'all really quick. Woo! Girl needs to catch her breath. So some of the puddings will come in this packaging. They are wrapped in tin foil. They are in Ziploc bags. They all come with a little informational pamphlet. It says Gypsy Christmas Pudding and has a gypsy caravan with a gypsy horse on it. And then my dad wrote some stuff in there. So there is some information in the pamphlet, as well as on the back what all is in the puddings. But I just wanted to show y'all those because my mom and dad did all these. They got the packaging, the gold and silver. They wrapped them perfectly. I think they're taped up. There's also a coin in there. It's a little chocolate coin, and that's in there for a reason. So I just wanted to show y'all that so you'll have an idea of what it looks like. These are obviously perfect for yourself, duh, if you want one. But these would also make really nice Christmas gifts. So keep that in mind. Don't forget, if you want to order, reach out to me through Instagram. You can DM me privately at the Gypsy Wife Life. I'll have that down below, and you can also email me at gypsychristmaspudding@gmail.com. Reach out to me if you want one. We've got lots of them and they're ready to be shipped. So hit your girl up. I think you would love them. Everyone loved them last year when they purchased them. We even had a few people from last year repurchase this year. So get your hands on some. You won't regret it. They're absolutely delicious. Share them with your friends and family. That's what it's all about. I guess I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed seeing my sister's beautiful Christmas decor. I was so shocked when I went in there today. I was like, girl, this is absolutely beautiful. It really put me in the Christmas spirit. It was just so pretty. Everything was so pretty and so perfect, and I just loved it so much. I hope y'all enjoyed it too. I hope y'all also enjoyed seeing one of my nephews. I have 22 or 23 nieces and nephews, a mix of them. I've got one great niece, 2 great nephews. I have another niece on the way from Alan's side of the family. And then I have another niece or nephew. We don't know what she is yet, he or she is yet, on the way. So, woo, big family. Anyways, all right, I hope y'all enjoyed. Sorry I'm yapping so much. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. Leave me some comments down below. As always, I would love to hear from you. If you want to order the pudding, please reach out to me. We have lots of them, and yeah, we're really excited to share them with all of you. All right, I'll see y'all next time. Bye.